Next question, exercise 3.10 problem. A player throws a ball upward with an initial speed of 29.4 meter per second. A player is thrown a ball which direction? Very very important, that is upward direction. A player thrown a ball in upward direction. So in upward direction we require some velocity or speed, that value is 29.4 meter per second. So here some questions are there. A. What is the direction of the acceleration during upward motion of the ball? So the ball is moving upward direction of the motion. We have to find out acceleration direction. Okay. What is the direction of the acceleration? Next, B. What are the velocity and acceleration of the ball at the highest point of the motion? Okay, when the ball is moving upward direction, what is the acceleration, acceleration and velocity values? Okay, at highest point only, here asking at highest point what is the velocity and acceleration. Next question, C. Choose the x equal to 0 and t equal to 0 second to be the location and time of the ball at its highest point, vertically downward direction to be positive of x axis, and give sign of the position, velocity and acceleration of the ball during its upward direction and downward direction. Here the ball is moving along positive x-axis direction vertically downward. In that situation, what is the position, velocity, acceleration, sign values? Means position is positive or negative, velocity is positive or negative, acceleration is positive or negative in both direction, upward and downward. Okay, last one. To what height does the ball rise, and after how long does the ball return to player hand? Here we have to find the two things. Height, does the ball rises, how much height the ball rise, and after how long does ball return by the player hand. Okay, the ball reaches the player hand how much time? Okay, here take the g equal to 9.8 meter per second, neglect the air resistance. During the ball motion, neglect the air resistance. Here this is a ball, this is a ground. What happened? The ball is thrown by a player vertically upward direction. Okay, this is the direction of the ball. Okay, the speed of the ball is 29.4 meter per second. Okay, what is the first question? What is the direction of the acceleration during the upward motion of the ball? In this upward motion of the ball, what is the direction of the acceleration? A equal to 9.8 meter per second square. What is the direction? Direction is always towards the ground, means downward direction. So first question answer, acceleration is downward direction. Okay, acceleration is downward direction. What is the second one? What are the velocity and acceleration of the ball at the highest point? So when we throw a ball in upward direction, this is the highest point. At this highest point, what is the velocity value? Okay, velocity value at highest point is always velocity, final velocity v equal to 0. What is the direction of the acceleration? Towards the ground. At highest point, velocity v equal to 0, acceleration is downward direction. Next question C. I am taking the coordinate system because the motion of the ball is along x-axis. In x-axis, positive direction. Okay, this is the negative x-axis value, this is the positive y-axis, this is the negative y-axis. One ball is here, the ball is moving towards the horizon, this is the direction of the motion of the ball. Okay, x-axis positive, the direction of the ball is downward direction. If you turn the image, you can easily understand. I will show it. This is the actual case. This is the x-axis, this is the positive, the direction of the ball is downward direction towards origin. Okay, this is the ball, this is the origin towards the ground, downward direction. Here, initial velocity of the object u equal to 0, final velocity v equal to 29.4 meter per second, acceleration 9.8 towards the horizon. Here ball is moving downward direction. What is the velocity sign? Velocity sign means either positive or negative. Whenever the ball is moving downward direction, velocity is positive, and also acceleration positive value, and displacement is also positive value. For suppose same ball thrown upward direction. Okay, when the ball is thrown upward direction, what is the velocity value? What is the direction? Velocity is moving in opposite direction, so velocity is negative. Displacement is also in negative, it is moving opposite direction, that's why. But acceleration still acting downward direction, so positive. Okay, a ball is moving x-axis in positive direction. Okay, in that situation, velocity, acceleration, displacement signs are identified. In D, what happened? We are going to find the time. Here time value is the ball reaches the player's hand. Okay, before the time I am going to find the what is the displacement value. Okay, displacement. First of all, I am going to find the displacement. After, we can easily find out the time value. When ball is thrown upward direction, so here highest point, final velocity v equal to 0. The ball is thrown with the initial velocity 29.4 meter per second, acceleration a equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, here we know that u value, v value, a value. So by using motion of the equation v square minus u square equal to 2ax, we can easily find out the displacement value. So velocity v equal to 0, this is the final velocity, this is the initial velocity, but here the velocity of the ball is upward direction. So when the ball is moving in upward direction, velocity is minus value. So minus 29.4 whole square equal to 2 into g value 9.8 into x. Okay, so 0 square minus 29.4 whole square means 864.36. So 2 into 9.8 means 19.6 into x. X equal to minus 864.36 by 19.6. How many times gets cancelled? Minus 44.1 meter. So displacement of the ball is 44.1 meter. Here negative sign is indicated for the ball is moving in opposite direction. Okay, so we know that here displacement value, final velocity, initial velocity value, acceleration value. We can easily find out the time value by using motion of the equation x equal to ut plus half at square, and also another equation v equal to u plus at. I am using this equation, why? Because for simple calculation. Okay, so v value 0, u value minus, so here velocity value minus 29.4. Why? Because the velocity is in opposite direction plus acceleration 9.8 t. Here time, the ball is moving upward direction. Okay, so t u. Okay, so t u equal to 29.4 by 9.8. Okay, how many times gets cancel? T u equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so the ball is moving upward direction. How much time is taken? 3 seconds. Now the ball is moving downward direction. How much time is taken? At downward direction, v equal to u plus at t d, downward direction. So v value 29.4, u value 0, acceleration 9.8 into td. Okay, 29.4 equal to 9.8 into td. td equal to 29.4 by 9.8 equal to 3 seconds. Okay, now total time t equal to t d, downward direction, t upward direction. When the player catched by the ball, total time 3 seconds downward direction, up 3 seconds downward direction, 3 seconds in upward direction. So 3 plus 3, 6 seconds. Okay, in 6 seconds the player catched by the ball. Okay, that is the answer.